Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate a savings plan with American Express detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate a savings plan with American Express, begin by logging into your American Express account on their website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Look for the Savings tab and click on it to access your savings account options. If you do not have a savings account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. After selecting your savings account, locate the Set Up Automatic Transfers option. Click on this option to open the automation settings. You will then need to choose the amount you wish to transfer from your checking account to your savings account. Next, select the frequency of the transfers, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Decide on a start date for the automatic transfers to commence. Review all your selections to ensure they meet your savings goals. Once you're satisfied, confirm your settings to activate the automated savings plan. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your plan is successfully set up. To monitor your progress, return to the Savings tab at any time to check your balance and transfer history. Adjust your settings as needed if your financial situation changes or if you wish to modify the amount or frequency of transfers. Keep an eye on your automated savings plan to ensure it's working as expected. This will help you stay on track with your long-term financial goals. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your savings with American Express. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.